Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm here beneath the great birch who has passed away uh, over the winter and has begun to rot and break apart. Perhaps you can see some of the branches that have, begun to fall and have actually fallen. And so I'm taking this opportunity, and I'm going to invite you only to do this where you can be safe. You could have a helmet on or somebody watching out too. But the idea here is for me to practice where I have some consideration, perhaps concern, perhaps caution about what will come to me from above. But of course, this could be rain or hail or lightning, I suppose. I wouldn't recommend you practice outdoors when there's a lightning concern. But rather than me just keep looking up and getting tighter and tenser, I want to use my Tai Chi Chuan to sort of open my awareness to what's above. So that's listening, of course, not just the ears. If I hear something start to shift or crack or something, then I can make an adjustment. But I'm also trying to do this without losing sight of the earth. It's very easy to get very upward focused because that's my concern. I'm watching the clouds. I'm waiting for the full moon to show up or the eclipse or the rain or whatever it is and lose sight of the earth. So I'm trying to maintain my awareness of the two without just changing my posture and looking up and still be able to have my practice. So a heightened awareness of sky and no loss of awareness of the soil. Thank you very much. I trust that finds you well.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.